Hi, how are you all? Today we are going to make our own background. So let's we see how we can change the background our own or the backdrops our own. So see, this is our Scratch program, and see, this is our kitten is almost here. So can you see there is a backdrop small square here? There's a blank square. Let's we click there. It will come like this. See, and now we can the backdrop here. So we can choose, we can click it like this. And see how we can draw the line. We can click this. Now I am going to make some directions like as a rod, okay? So see, I am going to draw from here to here. See what we draw here, it will come here, okay? It will come on the stage. So I'm going to click here again, and from here. So from here to like this. It's just like a rod. I'm trying to give some rod. Okay, so this is a kitten. We can stay here or here, okay? So this is our backdrops we got. Now we have to go to the card. So let's give some code to move our kitten, okay? So suppose I'm going to give a repeat. So let's click and drag repeat, okay? So the next we have to go the motion and click and drag move, okay? So we have to be kitten, we have to give some instructions to wait also. So like, yes, wait. So we can change the number, repeat, instead of 10 we can give 20, that's okay. And move 10 steps, yeah, that's enough. And wait, we can give 0.1, okay. So let's try what will happen. See, our kitten is moving to the straight. See, yes. So suppose we have to give some direction, okay? So what we give, there is 1 point direction maybe. So let's search where is the direction. So maybe yes, in the motion, yes, point in direction. So we click and drag the point in direction here. When we click, yes, the direction we can move the 0. If it's come 0, our kitten will go here and go there. Okay, let's try. See? So hope you understand and I hope you like it. You can make it your own. It's no problem. Bye-bye.